Hello guys, welcome to our channel Blue Butterflies.
Let's get into the video, guys. Being in an island itself is an amazing experience. Today I want to add more excitement to that experience. Already you guys might get bored with the same views of the beaches all around the islands, right? With the different names. So guys, let me take you somewhere. That's called Jirkatang waterfalls, which are near about 50 km far away from the city. Seriously, we also have no idea about the location of the waterfalls or how they're gonna be. But we started enjoying the nature and the sceneries. Did you notice, guys, that the unfolded trees are like hands of the earth inviting the sky for a warm hug? Finally, after a 1.5 hour journey, we reached the location, Jirkatang. Let me remind you guys, this is the last location where you can travel without restrictions. From here onwards, the Jarawa begins. You might have heard about Jarawa in the internet also, right? This is the highway you need to follow to go to the Baratang and Diglipur and other islands. From here, all the vehicles going to the Baratang, Diglipur and the other islands move together as a convoy along with the police escort vehicle because the tribals may attack the vehicles for the food and some other reasons. So that the government doesn't allow the people to go alone through this route. And the weather was also superb and the beautiful location. We have taken a few pics and later on we just thought of having a cup of tea and samosa over there, which were available because we didn't expect them there because it was completely an extreme remote location. Follow me, I'll just go first and you just follow me. Yes, we are moving ahead now. And it's time to pack up. Catch you later. Things in the Andaman Nicobar Island. This is one of the best and enjoyable points. Hi guys, again this is Hari Babu. Today we visited this Jirkatang waterfalls. It's quite interesting, but we didn't bring any clothes to take bath under these waterfalls. We missed the chance. But however, this is one of the most embellishing thing in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. So everybody should visit if you come to the Andaman Nicobar.